Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the due to local resolution. This content is restricted your on X. First open the X app and go to settings and privacy. Tap on privacy and safety, then select content you see and turn on display media that may contain sensitive content. Next, make sure of but is correct is your account settings, because age restriction can back can block some posts. Also try updating the app from the Play Store or App Store, or logging using the web version to check if the content loads there. After following these steps, the restriction problem should be fixed. If this helped, like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips fixed. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.